next destination was Mussoorie and we drove from Rishikesh to Mussoorie. Hi everyone, now we are in Mussoorie and actually we reached here yesterday, last night, and we were so exhausted and so tired, and the best thing was when we reached here it started snowing, so we just kept doing everything and we enjoyed that. It was quite a surprise, and of course then we went out for dinner, had some great food and walked around Mall Road and came back, enjoyed, slept around 4 in the morning. and that's it. It was a nice evening last night. The guys doing their stuff. What? Where is Romasha? मैं और मेरी तन्हाई. We absolutely love driving through the scenic routes. The tall pine trees, the valley view and the cold breeze all so perfect. I mean, we live for the little things, right? Mussoorie Mall Road was extremely crowded, so we headed to Lal Tibba and then to Landour. Lovely place, but too much crowd.
I agree. Sit here together.
Guide Romasha Pusti will say, where are we now?
Landour.
Goals. Yahan. We danced, clicked pictures and got ourselves some delectables from the bakehouse and we really enjoyed it. So we are at some random spot trying to do something. Please don't jump.
Hey, Hey, check out guys, we are at Mussoorie with Ankita Mohanty, Mohanty and Romasha Pusti. A trip which was planned 3 months back, randomly in a smoking time, but then here we are. And it's damn good. And to this is just a trial. Please like, share and subscribe to Ankita Mohanty, not me.
Overall, it was a trip filled with fun, crazy and heartfelt memories. See you soon in the next video.